Similar to what we're doing in the kitchen, we're doing here. This used to be, you can kind of see the outline on the floor, this used to be where the closet was. So when I first walked in here, there was, basically a closet area, and I'm like, well, that kind of breaks up the room. And I don't think I like that. So again, when we were first here, Eddie and I and Valerie, and I've been doing this for a little while, again, opening up the room, can that be done? And I noticed, well, there's kind of an alcove, and that actually had a wood burning stove. You can see the pipe there, and there was some brick there, but I thought we could make that into a closet, and we could make this into a closet. Kind of a natural thing. It already is got a little alcove, and then open all this up, right? And again, Eddie thought, yeah, it can be done. We're gonna have to, I think you said it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do the same concept. We're gonna retrofit the beam there because there's a splice there. And then we're gonna do the same thing over there.
Right. So now, this is gonna be a huge, obviously, master bedroom. This is gonna be, like I was telling somebody earlier, I think you and I, when we were looking, I think a family moves in here, the wife is gonna come and look at this and go, oh my God, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna have it all beautiful and staged. It's a huge master bedroom. And her closet, his closet.
Right?
Honestly, the one minor thing that could be a little bit of a negative is the bathroom's smaller, but it's gonna be, redone and look nice. But this size master bedroom, I don't think you're gonna find it.
Yeah.
And you got windows, light here, big window here, beautiful.
Yeah, the side right there, and it's a lot of light here, a lot of light. But it feels cool, like it feels cool in here now.
And with the higher ceilings, that's always nice. So I think this is going to be a real big selling point, right, Valerie?
The bedroom is definitely a plus, the size. What is the plan for the air conditioner?
Well, that's going to be taken out.
Yeah.
But are you
Absolutely.
going to keep it and use it at all, or just take it out?
If you wanted, you can take it. It's.
We can talk about it.
Yeah, we can talk about it. If you want air conditioning, then there's other ways to do it.
Right, better ways, right?
Alright,
Yeah,
that sounds
Definitely.
good.
because that's stuck in the corner there. That's not going to do anybody
No, in
good.
the closet it will do no good. It would have
Yeah,
to
yeah,
be
yeah,
daily. But
yeah. Keep the closet cool.
That there are more efficient ways to do it.
Yeah.
I do think Boulder Creek is a climate that can use some air conditioning.
Yeah, it gets pretty hot up here. You know what? The house maintains its cool.
It does.
I don't know how
Well
On the
insulated.
inside, I've never been here where I felt uncomfortable.
Yeah.
I think there could be days. Yeah.
Well, it's got to be. It's insulated well. It's also
I'm surprised because there's no insulation.
There
on the
isn't?
roof.
There is no insulation. Oh wow.
But I was surprised because we've never been super hot in here. It never gets that hot.
Well, you could do ceiling fans on everything. That's always
That's-
nice.
that's
Just
always
to
nice.
That's
really
another
air.
option.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one thing I wanted to mention is the total house size is just a little bit under 1,700 square feet, and the lot is, I think, under 15,000 square feet. And the other nice part about this is that that really appealed to me when I first heard about it. I just immediately thought it would be septic because you're out in the country, kind of in a rural area. It's not. It's on a sewer system for this neighborhood. And then at the end of the property tour, after I go through basically the rehab process, if people want to, I'm actually going to drive to what's called the clubhouse. That I think is going to also be a nice selling feature for the property, where there's a swimming pool, there's tennis courts, there actually is a clubhouse. Actually, I think there's 4 tennis courts, a basketball court.
4 tennis courts,
Picnic
basketball
tables,
court,
all kinds of
ball, a gym room, a hot tub, an Olympic pool with diving board.
Wow.
They have a picnic area where there's 6 or 9 fireplaces and picnic tables. There's some fenced playground zones.
And no association fees.
None,
Wow.
no homeowners.
That's-
There's
So it's not an official HOA then.
No, there are CCNRs, but it's different, Henry, yeah. I that was something that came up, and there is no homeowners fees. There's a little bit more that you pay if you're an owner here through the water, and it's through the San Lorenzo Water Company or District that you pay specifically for this neighborhood, yeah, okay, all right.